Hi, I'm Billy Bailey with 2Egg TV, and today we continue on our series with edible and medicinal plants in your backyard, learning about urtica, or the common stinging nettle. This is the common stinging nettle, urtica. It is the representative species of the Urticaceae family. And to many, this may seem like a noxious weed that you just can't seem to get rid of. Now, it does have these little stingy hairs, technically called trichomes, which act as little hypodermic needles that inject acids that give you a burning sensation. However, you may not know that a stinging nettle is actually a superfood. It is one of the most nutritious plants on earth. It has the vitamins A, B, C, D. It's got all the good vitamins and minerals, and it's unusual in that it has vitamin D, which typically you'll need to find from sunlight or mushrooms, but it's actually also contained in stinging nettle. It's a full medicine cabinet, lots and lots of known medicinal qualities. It's been used worldwide for centuries. You can go today and find the powder, the extracts in health food stores, and you can also eat this plant. Now, this is one that you don't just pick raw and eat. This one must be cooked or made into a tea. So to harvest this, you would put on gloves, you would pull it, then you would pick the leaves off of that. Now, you can take these leaves and just put them in a pan with a little garlic and a little onion, saute them for just a few minutes, and you will never know that it had any stinging nettles or any histamine properties to it. It's very good to eat, and it almost has a spinach-like flavor and consistency. The leaves are dried and utilized in tea, and it's very good for to combat seasonal allergies. Today we learned about the common stinging nettle. I'm Billy Bailey with 2Egg TV. It is packed full of vitamins, minerals, and all kinds of good medicinal qualities.